What's up, everybody? Check out this equipment trailer. I had already filmed the crappy video. I'm gonna try to film a slightly less crappy video. Starting from the front, everything unbolts, the coupler, the chains, the jack, just comes right off. So when you wear it out, drag it or whatever, it just comes off. Storage box standard. The wood has a unique system. It's bolted down, it's not screwed down, and it pops out real easy. So if you need to replace a piece of board, you just pull that one board out. Takes no more than 5 minutes. Replace it. Our logo cut out, you know, in case it gets stolen. Let's see, all of these trailers have bolt-on fenders. So if you damage the fender or you need a different fender, we also have lower ones, we have wider ones. Just depends on what you want to do. Comes with 4 D-rings, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle. The middle ones are more for pallets, lumber, that sort of thing. The ramps unbolt, the fenders unbolt. This bar unbolts, and it's all the same bolt, 3/4 inch. So if you have to take off these ramps to haul something that's way too long, you need to unbolt them, so 3/4 inch wrench, and the ramps and the straps come right off. If you need to drive like some kind of off-road truck over the tires, you unbolt the fenders, and it comes right off. These ramps are also spring-loaded. I'm gonna try to see if I can do that one-handed here. So, you know, there you go. Pick it up again. So they're spring loaded. Yeah, back this way. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this one-handed. All right, so we can leave it down. Let's see here. License plate has a skid plate on it. So when you hit stuff, it just kind of picks it up. 3 lights. You gotta have these 3 lights on the back. If you do not have those 3 lights and the license plate lights, you're going to get a ticket. You're gonna get pulled over. And bad stuff happens when you get pulled over. Another little thing people don't realize, when you weld these in place, you have to weld a supporting bracket on the back. This solid bar is not welded to this bracket. It's actually punched through, welded on the inside, welded on the back, and then this plate distributes it. If you don't do that and you just weld this part straight to the C channel, over time, usually a short time, it will tear this out and the ramp will fall. So it takes a little bit extra time, but it works the best. There it is, guys. LED lights in the back. LED lights on the fenders. The wheels are a little dirty, ignore that. Spare tire set up for a lock. If you don't lock it, they steal it. Storage box is also set up for a lock. VIN number, a real VIN number from a company that's been in business for 25 years, not some sketchy number the DOT is questioning me about, asking who is this company. Their VIN numbers should not exist. Tell them, I don't know. I don't know. All right, guys, there it is. Let me know how many you want.